Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the ABS means absolute command in Panasonic PLC. Let's get started. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. First I will open that introduction. Little demo I can give you, but it is a long chapter. After this link I will be send the video description. You can easily download this all details and you can apply into your program. What he says, here is a detailed explanation of the ABS absolute value command in Panasonic PLC version which I am using 7.1. Basic information. What's the ABS command? The ABS command is a function block used to calculate the absolute value of a number. Absolute value meaning the absolute value of a number is its value without any sign. It is always a positive number or 0. An example, ABS if 5 is equal with 5. ABS for an example, minus 18 number is the absolute value 18. ABS 0 value is equal to 0. In the context of PLC programming, it is used to ensure you are working with a magnitude regardless of whether the source data is positive or negative. Second, syntax and usage in FPWIN Pro 7.1. The ABS command is typically used in a function block diagram. You drag the ABS block onto your ladder logic and connect its inputs and outputs. Visual representation is look like same text as ABS and D. Source means S means source. This is the input operand. It can be a constant key 150 or data register any you can use DT0 containing the value you want to convert, and D is the representation at the destination. This is the output operand, usually a data register where the resulting absolute value will be stored. It's very long. You can see in the this is in another also I explained any data type which you can use operation how step by step. This you can take it from the link of my video description. So we will go to the practically in the software and I will show you how we can use it. I will open my this software FPWIN Pro 7.1 version, and here we can make the new program. First of all, what we will do, we will take one input address. For an example, any we can choose. For an example x0 I will choose. This is my input execution, and that's line we will be connect to the x0. This is our, for example, execution button. And next you have to be choose the go to the arithmetic instructions, and here go into the FP instruction and the lot. Here is a ABS. This is also you can choose. This is ABS command. For example, this is without enabling units or with enabling needs. You can collect and place it here. And this number we not need to take, connect the line with the enabling point, and just here we can give the data register number. For an example D0 I will give it here, and this variable will be created, and here you can give the number D10 for example, and this just we will compile the program and download into the PLC, and it's now weatherly running. This is remote run PLC is okay, and here we have to be write the data. Think about this is your from the field signal coming, and here is your value coming. For an example, I will put it here value some 2 3 4 5 look like any if I set and this value I gives, but still you can see this value is not passed into the D10 data register because of there is a some enabling point. Once we give the signal at x0, after this data will be moved into the absolute value means in next data register. I will press the x0 and you can see this value is just we have to give the only rising edge, just any one signal, and this value is now stored in the D10. And here if you like to change value, for example now this value is coming, for example goes into the minus 2 3 4 5 look like any. Now this is the minus value but still not passed. As I give the rising edge, can see this value is the goes to the absolute value 2 3 4 5, but this value is the minus 2 3 4 5, and there is a 2 3 4 5 plus value is stored into the D10. And this values is how much long we can use, that you can see in the manual. Also you can go to very easy step, I will show you. Go to the help and contents, and here in the search bar when you type the ABS and click enter, and after you will be get the this commands ABS absolute value, double click it on the, and here also you can find all the details, which way the data types, input parameters and output parameters, how you can choose int, d int, uint, ud int, real, unreal. This you can check it from here. Also you can just this header POU for example program copy and just into the paste, and also you can use, and variables also you can choose from here. So for this real data, that's also I will explain you. You just go into the FP instructions, and here down right last at the you can see this is the floating point, and this is the real. This you can drag and drop it here. Sorry. Sorry, what's the problem? This is our PLC is running. We have to be first stop the PLC, and after go to the again instructions, and just you can drop and drag it here. And this also you can give the for example x0, that same value you can give, no problem. And here you can give the data register, you have to be choose different, for example D20 I will choose input data register, and D30 I will choose for the output data register. And this is x0, if you like to link it with the main also can, okay. If no like to be linked, also this ladder can be used. Just compile the data, compile all and click it on the yes, and program will be start downloading into the PLC. And as per seen, you can see here is now real data register. You can see here is, for example we will type the 2345, and here we can type the real values, for example 2.789 look like, any which value you like to type you can type. And as we give the signal at x0, after you will be see this result will be stored into the next data register, right? 2.786. And if you like to be here also this minus data register, minus value minus 2.634 or what your data type, and as we execute the value it will be, you can see this is in the real value 2.234 is now stored in the D30. So this way you can choose the ABS command in your program. But remember this, when you're using this commands, use your with own logic, and it depends on your program logic. What work you are doing, that's will be look like same. So hope guys you will be understand about this ABS command, how we can use. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.